Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube. I've worked thousands of IRS cases. Listen, I always have to push my book. I'm proud of it. I just went ahead. We wrote a book with Peter Salinger about IRS settlements. There's the barcode. Anyway, I just thought I'd tell you about the book. Anyway, I know a lot about IRS. I worked thousands of cases, and today I want to talk to you about the IRS financial statement and how critical the financial statement is. It governs your entire case. When I was an agent, and even today, working cases, I've been in tax defense for years and years and years. The financial statement is the core piece to your case either being settled, pennies on a dollar, to a payment agreement, part pay agreements, or streamline, and or being put in hardship. That financial statement is critical. If IRS is asking you to give them a financial statement and you do not understand what they're doing with this financial statement, even though it's going to determine the entire finances of you for the life of your tax case, you're crazy to call them without having somebody do that for you. I don't care who it is. Don't with me, whoever. You have to know what's going to happen when you give IRS that financial statement. You're pretty much giving IRS a loaded gun. Say, here, take it. You have to know, you have to have an exit strategy. You have to know that IRS is going to look at your income and expenses, and that IRS is going to use certain expenses that you're not going to get allowed. You think they're going to allow them, but they're not. You have to know that. You have to know the period of time IRS wants for your income. You got to want to know, can IRS go back a year? What expenses, what bank statements they want? You've got to know this all ahead of time, or you are not going to have a good result. Is this video meant to scare you? It is. It is. The reason it is, first of all, I don't care if you call me or not, but I'm just telling you what's going to happen if this thing, you give this to IRS. IRS wants to get as much money a month as they can from you. I'm just letting you know they're going to find a way to get a payment plan that you cannot afford. They're going to push you and push you. But anyway, I'm just telling you, no matter what, just know that financial statement that you give them, the 433A, the 433B, is critical to determining the outcome of your case. Don't underestimate that. Give me a call, give me a subscription. I've worked thousands of IRS cases. Thank you.